Hey guys, Ramel here, and I'm back. This is going to be my first unboxing video in nearly 6 years. It's going to be Gigabyte's monitor, the AORUS AD27QD. I looked at a lot of different monitors, read a lot of reviews, and also watched a ton of YouTube videos while lurking on our monitors all day for I don't even know how long. And out of all the monitors that I could get in Canada, it was going to be between the Asus PG279Q, the older Asus MG279Q, the Acer Predator. If I was able to get the Nixius Edge 27V2, I probably would have, since it seems to be the best bang for buck 144Hz IPS panel out there. The reason I got a new monitor in the first place was because I needed something with a fast refresh rate first and foremost for gaming, as well as it needed to be an IPS panel for staring at code all day and the occasional photo video editing. The AD27QD fit the bill, as well as being almost $100 cheaper than both the Asus PG279Q and the Acer Predator. Some of the features that this monitor offers is a 144Hz refresh rate at QHD resolution, which is perfect for the types of games that I play, as well as for my video card, which is the RX 580. This monitor supports AMD FreeSync, so I shouldn't notice any stuttering when my frame rates do dip below 144 Hz. The FreeSync should be able to fill in the gaps. The panel does support 10-bit color input at 120 Hz, so you're limited to lower refresh rate, and if you're using 144 Hz, you only get 8-bit color. Speaking of color, the color accuracy is really good from what I've noticed using it when I edit photos as well as my videos. And according to the Artings review, it covers 98% of the sRGB color space and 84% of the Adobe RGB color space. Alright, let's get to the unboxing. I couldn't do the unboxing in my tiny office space, which I'll eventually do a tour of once I'm done getting everything set up in there. So I'm going to do it on my daughter's playmat. If it looks like I'm being a little bit too gentle, it's because I was scared to wake her up. I filmed this unboxing while she was taking a nap. When you first open the top, you'll see the instructions on how to set it up. It's pretty straightforward. There's really not much going on. You have a few cables, the monitor, and the base. The monitor itself is sandwiched between these two styrofoam pieces. It's pretty easy to slide in and out, as you can see here. Here's the base of the stand. It's all metal. I think the rest of the stand is plastic, but I'm not sure. I currently have it in a dual monitor mount. Here is the warranty card as well as an installation disc if you still have an optical drive. Otherwise you can download it online. Here are the video and USB cables. You get one HDMI, one DisplayPort, and one USB cable. Here are the power cables. You get one for each region, so if you ever decide to move, you don't have to buy an adapter for this monitor. And here is the monitor. The rest of the stand is already attached to the monitor. It also has RGB lighting, which I'm not using, just the ones on the monitor itself, because like I said, I have it VESA mounted on a dual monitor stand. To install the base to the rest of the stand, it's pretty easy. You line it up with the one attached to the monitor, and all you gotta do is start screwing it until it's tight. Here are the ports you have behind the monitor. There's the two USB in, one USB out. You have two HDMI, one DisplayPort, one mic in, and one audio out. Here's how the back of the monitor looks like. There are the two panels that have RGB, as well as the one on the stand of the monitor itself. And here's the front of the monitor. Thanks for watching. I haven't done this in a while, and it's been a really long time since I've done unboxing videos. I was just using my webcam or my phone, but now I have a mirrorless camera, the X-T2 that I've been filming these unboxing videos on. If you have any suggestions or products you want me to review, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'm going to try to get a video out once a week, just general tech videos, my workflow, my setup, as well as just remote life, what it's like working remotely. Anyways, peace.